Hey, what's up, fellow creators? Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be talking about the amazing Microsoft Designer tool. I'm pretty sure you heard about this tool or you read about this tool somewhere. I'll be reviewing this tool with other tools available in the market. So, let's jump right into it. Yes, so this is the landing page that we are going to see when we come to the designer, Microsoft Designer, right? And here you can see that create something special for the holidays. Since this is an AI, you can just come in and type something that you want to create. This is how it will create. And here are some features which are present in the Microsoft designers, like image creator. You get an inbuilt image creator also, you get design creator also. And if you want to erase something from your videos or photos, you can do it as well. uh, on the right hand side you can see that you can also remove backgrounds from the videos or photos. That's a great option because I haven't seen this before on any tool. And coming down, we can see we can create a brand kit. This is something that is my favorite part about this. I'm going to show you in detail. Keep watching, guys. So when you come down, you can see that we have the recent projects title, right? So here you can see your recent project that you have been working on, and below that we can see that designs for social media and more, right? So this is something that Canva
Yeah,
also has it, and
so
other
moving
tool
on
also
to
has
the
it.
next one is that
Projects, so where you can see your projects that you have been working on. And let's quickly move on to the new projects, right? So when you click here, the new window is gonna open, and there is a pop-up, right? You don't see pop-up in the tools like Canva or any other, and where you can actually type something and create photos. You also can add your media. You can create images also over here, like we discussed in the first part, that you can also create generate images, right? So this is where the part you can click here and you can generate the images, right? And let's close down. You can close this down, and this is where you will see the actual designer layout, right? And where on the left hand side you can see that templates, my media, visual. This is very minimalistic. Like, I have used Canva. I've been using Canva for a long time, and we can see that this is very simple, right? You can just click here, add something. And the coolest part about the Microsoft AI is that this on the right hand side you can see that we have an generative AI suggestions, right? So you don't see this winter open houses, right? So when you click on this, you will be seeing another. It also creates a video for you, like short videos, short clips you can use for Instagram posts, Facebook posts, right? And this is something that Microsoft has stopped. Like, I have used Canva, but there is no option, right? Yeah. So this is it, right? And the second one is my media, where you can upload videos from your device, and or Google Drive, Dropbox, Google Photos, etc., right? And the third one is visuals, right? And this is another part that I've been impressed with the Microsoft designer, is that these guys have some really cool pictures, right? I mean, you just gotta try it. You will see this. Hey, look at this. These are something out of it. You just have to select it and try it, right? uh, Here you can see photos, graphics, videos, right? And the next one is text. So you can, this is like general. I think these guys just took this from the Canva and added here, right? So you can create new post, grand opening. These are some styles that they already offer us, and we can edit this, right? And the part I was talking about, the brand kit, right? This, I said it was my favorite part, and this is it. So this is something that I have created, and this is how you'll get. So you can select your colors and select your logo, and see the logo is appearing here. This is my logo that you'll be seeing, AI Yogis, and this is where you see that colors, right? So you can shuffle the colors if you wish to. Click here, you can edit those. And this is something that other tools have not done it, and Microsoft managed to do it. And this is a really cool feature if you are creating content and you're trying to create your brand, or you want to create the image of your brand in the consumer's mind. So this is something that really useful. And that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video and found this helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more awesome content like this.